guys, this is me Roshni. Welcome back to my channel. So Durga Pujo is around the corner. Shubho Sharodiya to everyone, and self-care before Pujo is a must. So in this video I will show you how I take care of my skin, hair, body, and I will also show the products and home remedies I use. And this is a completely non-sponsored video, by the way. So without any delay, let's get into it. Firstly, let's start with hair care. So for hair, I am using a wooden comb because wooden combs reduces hair fall, reduces breakage and increases blood circulation. Now it's time for hair oiling. I always oil my hair 1 or 2 hours prior to hair wash, and this is the rosemary oil from Soulflower, and this oil is very effective. Always make sure to massage the oil properly in every part of your scalp. So after an hour, now it's time for shampoo, and I am using the Be Body Wise Peptide shampoo. Then I use the L'Oreal Absolute Repair Molecular Mask. So after washing the hair properly, now it's time to dry my hair, and I always use a towel to dry it and remove the excess water gently. After drying the hair, I use the Be Body Wise hair roll-on on my hair, and this roll-on is one of those products which actually work effectively. Now let's move on to skincare. Firstly, I am using the Cetaphil cleanser. This is my favorite cleanser because it is very gentle on your skin. Nextly, I am making a face scrub using coffee and sugar and some coconut or olive oil. Also, sometimes I use aloe vera gel. So this scrub is very effective in removing dead skin, and it makes my skin super soft. I slowly apply it on my whole face properly, and it actually works as a very good exfoliator. Sometimes I use it as a body scrub also, and also as a lip scrub most of the times. Look at my face after washing. It feels so soft. Next, I am using a face mask. You can skip this step as well. This mask is my current favorite because it has volcanic clusters and hyaluronic acid, so it clears pores and gives a very good glow to my skin. You can apply any DIY mask instead of this. Next, I am using the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Toner. Toner is very essential in skincare as it maintains the skin's pH balance and hydrates the skin. Next, I am using a face serum by Plum, which is their hyaluronic acid and alpha-arbutin serum. So apparently this serum reduces tan, and you can pick your serum according to your skin concerns. I also sometimes use this electric gua sha from a brand called Frizz-Tea. I actually received it as a PR, but slowly I started using it. After I started using it slowly, my skin feels so tight and healthy. It has some kind of vibration which is very relaxing. Lastly, never skip moisturizer. I am using the Dot & Key Vitamin C moisturizer. And last and the most important step, which is sunscreen. Never skip it even if you are at home. So that's my skin after I did the complete skincare routine. And lastly, let's not forget the lip balm. This lip balm is from Hyphen, and it actually smells and tastes like mango. Moving on to body care. Firstly, you can see the amount of hair on my body, and I need to remove it. I am using the Meditative Women Trimmer, and this is the best way to remove your body hair without any pain. So I am slowly gliding it on over my skin, and this removes the hair so effectively. You can see all the hair coming out. Now I'll quickly take a shower, and then I'll apply the Plum body lotion. You will mostly see me applying the body products of Plum only because their body range is so good. They smell divine, and I'm absolutely in love with them. And now just look at my skin. It's so fresh and smooth. I also do the same for my legs and other parts of my body as well. And then now it's time to apply some perfume. This is also from Plum, and it's from their vanilla range. I think it's the vanilla caramello perfume. For my underarms, I'm not comfortable showing it on camera, but I use the Rexona underarm roll-on, which makes my underarms very fresh, and I smell good for like 12 hours or even more. Last but not the least, let's do my nails. I have already trimmed them, but I think I need to clean them a little. So this is my tiny nail kit from Deodap. Cleaning my nails super fast, and then it's time to apply the new set of nails that I got from a small business called The Nails Obsession. Not sure if they'll stay, but the process is super fun. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Also, there are a lot of things which I couldn't include because the video would become very long. I tried to keep it as short as possible. So this was my first ever video which I completely shot without makeup. So let me know if I look good. And these are my nails for Pujo. Also tomorrow I'm going for a haircut because these are the layers and these have grown and I don't like them anymore, so I think I need a trim. And also I'll do the eyebrows tomorrow. So yes, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for further updates. So let me know in the comments which part you like the most, and also all the product links are given in the description. So yeah, bye bye.